All right, chef. So after the amazing material Richard masala,
Yes.
what do we eat next? Crab Xec Xec?
Yes, it is going to be a Crab Xec Xec. So basically, Crab Xec Xec is a typical Goan dish which is made out of a coconut-based masala, wherein the coconut and all whole spices are slowly roasted, and then it is ground together in a stone grinder for
Wow.
almost kind of half an hour or so, without losing the oil.
But trust me, stone grinder और mixer grinder में बहुत फर्क होता है ना.
बहुत
वो
ज़्यादा
उसका मजा ही कुछ और आता है.
Yes, certainly.
So this is again a signature dish, and इसको खाने का मेरा बहुत ज़्यादा दिल कर रहा है.
Certainly.
Let's start with the dish.
Definitely. So we have some crab. I'll just put some basic salt and turmeric on that.
Okay, the basic marinade.
Yes.
Lovely.
Just the basic marination.
So a little bit of salt as per taste.
Yes.
Nice. स्वाद अनुसार as we say.
Yes. Yes.
And
Very
there goes nice yellow haldi. That is the turmeric powdered.
So we'll marinate this and keep this for maybe 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes, not longer.
Okay, lovely. I can
If you
feel
can
that.
crack it a bit bigger
Uh-huh.
so that it the masalas can get in as well.
Okay.
We
Okay.
can do that as well.
Lovely. Lovely. So इसको हमने रख देना side पे. I'll take it. I'll just keep it on the side. And after this, you'll start preparing for the masala, right? So by the time you're marinating the crab, we are ready to do the masala, and let's start with the masala. Okay. So we've got some heat on. Nice. Yes. Brilliant. ये जो range की आवाज है ना, it's more than music to us chefs, right?
True, very true.
Okay.
And that is when like it starts. Boom.
Boom. That's Diwali, Holi, सब कुछ हो गया.
True.
वो कलर हल्दी से आ गया और दिवाली रेंज से आ गई.
Rain
Lovely.
से,
Let's
very
start. Let's start. हल्का हीट आना शुरू हो गया. That's awesome. And इसको बिल्कुल अभी स्टार्ट में what kind of fire? Low fire?
Medium.
Medium fire. Absolutely brilliant. Normal sunflower oil?
Yes, that's normal sunflower.
Okay. Sunflower, rice bran, anything is good.
Sunflower is good.
Recommended is sunflower. Brilliant. We put some nice sunflower oil. I can feel the heat already. And yep, it's starting to smoke a little bit. I can see that. Music to ears and glitters to eyes. Lovely.
True.
ये fine chopped
Yes.
onion.
Some onions.
Normal onion.
Normal onions.
Brilliant. So take about 3 to 4 tablespoons of fine chopped onions. And we just give it a little bit of a stir. Green
Some
chilies.
chilies, yes.
Tikha.
Swadanusar again.
स्वाद अनुसार. Brilliant.
I prefer putting the curry patta a little later. I'll tell you why.
हाँ, because करी पत्ता तो oil में जाके
Yeah.
infuses a flavor to the oil.
And it doesn't burn.
Oh,
अगर
yes.
पहले हम लोग डाल देते हैं
तो burn
kind
कर
of
जाता है.
निकल जाता है. When you are sauteing it along with your
Brilliant. Brilliant.
So meanwhile, we have also ground some
Xec Xec masala.
Xec Xec
Xec
masala.
Xec masala. Okay. This is the nice Xec Xec masala. इसके अंदर coconut. Predominant flavor cinnamon, right?
true, very true.
Wow. And look at the color. It's beautiful. That nice brown Xec Xec masala. I am really amazed. इसको only rawness खत्म करना है या फिर
Yes.
brown करना है?
Just a translucent.
That's you have to finish the raw
Correct,
part
correct.
of the onions. There's no garlic in this?
No garlic, no garlic.
इसमें होगा garlic.
Yes.
Oh, that's the good thing because all ginger, garlic, everything is there.
True, very true.
So whenever I have to put it, let me know. Little bit of browning, translucent to mild brown.
True, very true.
Yes, look at that. I am loving that.
So what we will do is
क्या
we'll,
flavors है?
we shall put the crabs first into it.
अच्छा, okay.
Then we will.
So crabs have been marinated for about 20 minutes now. So please.
Do you want to?
No, no. All goes in.
Yes.
So let's put the crabs. It goes, including the claws.
Yes, yes.
Nice. And ये हल्का सा जो marinade का liquid आया है, वो भी अंदर जाएगा. That gives a lot of flavor to the dish.
True, very true.
Beautiful. Already smells brilliant. It is heavenly, yes. And crab does not take too much time to cook.
No, no, no. This crab
it's like
you can
fish.
take, yes, it gets cooked very quickly.
Yes.
So at this point of time, I'll just put some
Masala?
water.
Water, because
Just a little water.
yeah, I can see that masala sticking to the pan, so
Yes.
you want to deglaze it. And deglazing
Not
same.
much.
Yeah. So that with that also the. Lovely. So look at that. That's so good.
Now we can go with the masala.
How much?
4 teaspoon, 4 tablespoon.
So more?
Yes, please.
One more?
Yes.
Good enough?
Yes.
Little more?
Just stir it up. Because this
Okay,
has
thoda
to-
और ना?
Yes.
Let's have a good flavor today.
It has to be very thick and coating consistency has to be there.
अच्छा तो मसाला तो ये most important ingredient.
It has to be very coating kind of.
So this I will say that Mercure Goa. So this I will say is that Mercure Goa Devaaya style signature prawn Xec Xec.
Crab Xec Xec. True.
Brilliant.
Can you repeat that?
So this I will say that this is Mercure Goa Devaaya Resort signature style Crab Xec Xec.
True. Very true.
हाँ, beautiful. So इसको अभी medium heat पे रखना है.
Medium heat पे रखना है.
Lovely.
So we don't want the oil to come out of the coconut. So
Exactly.
what we will do is
Water.
put a little bit of water.
और high heat करेंगे तो oil छोड़ देगा.
Yes.
Nice. Brilliant. I can smell the whole goodness in the world in this dish.
Very true. Very true.
And मजेदार बात यह है that oil का बहुत मामूली इस्तेमाल हुआ है.
Very
Negligible oil.
true. Very true. Because even most of the Goan cuisine, except for some of the fried things,
हाँ.
there is hardly much of use of oil. Even in the fish curry, what we do,
Right.
the bangda curry or whatever,
Uh-huh.
we directly immerse the fish straight up in the curry,
Okay.
fry it and then immerse it.
Nice.
It is rather straight up in the curry.
Wow.
Hardly any use of oil.
So let it simmer in medium heat.
Yes.
No high heat.
No high.
High heat से oil release हो जाएगा तो फायदा नहीं.
Correct, correct. I'll just add a.
आप salt add करो और उसके बाद मैं I have a question for you.
Yeah, certainly.
So I give you an idea कि मतलब मक्की की रोटी या कौन से कुछ बना के but पोई आपने कहा तो what is पोई थोड़ा explain करेंगे मेरे पास.
Okay. Poi is basically a Goan bread. It is like a pita only, pita bread.
अच्छा it's like a Greek pita bread.
Yes, but
Nice.
the twist is that it is made out of whole wheat, and secondly, it is.
थोड़ा water some more water.
Yes.
Because I can. So अगर हल्का सा लगना शुरू हो जाए बीच में तो we can add a hint of water कि चिपके ना. Correct?
Right, that's it.
Coming back to poi, it's a whole wheat bread like a pita.
Like a pita, but what we are also using in that is your wheat husk, which goes on top as well, making it more healthy. So it's a healthy option than a regular pav or something.
So in north of India, we add the wheat husk, and we call that brand of atta, that type of atta is sharbati.
Okay,
So that's what we are talking about here.
so you can relate definitely to that.
But मैं ना घर जाके I'm going to make this Xec Xec, and इसके साथ I'm going to make something out of मक्की का आटा, and probably combine Punjab and Goa belt and try something. So we are at Mercure Goa Devaaya Resort, and we are eating that, or rather we are plating that signature dish, which is the Crab Xec Xec. And इसको बनाया है हमारे शेफ कपिल ने, which is it smells outstanding. मेरे पास already ये dish है, तो मैं इनको बोल रहा हूँ आप प्लेटिंग कर दो, कह रहे नहीं आप कर दो, तो मैंने कहा मैं कर देता हूँ. It's perfectly good. Should I have the honor of doing it?
Please,
Lovely.
go ahead.
So we have this nice big pan of Crab Xec Xec. इसके अंदर crab के claws and crab meat, everything is there. We're going to try plate it with the best possible efforts. And इसके लिए we need a nice big tong. So just place the shells. Rough plating, convenient plating, wherever you want, no problem at all. And this is like the nice crab meat. And this comes right here. 1, 2, इतने सारे बड़े crab में से थोड़ा सा crab meat, but जो है, it is beautiful. It's authentic. ये तो आ गया हमारा crab. Now we have the masala. We're going to get this goodness of this masala is that it's full of flavors, and थोड़ा सा जो deglaze किया था हमने इसको with that prawn marinade, it's amazing. So this will go right here, the masala part. I will put the masala in that side. So as much masala as you want. Here we go. Now we have the crab shell, जो इसको दिखने में देगा authenticity. And we have some star fruit which has been sun-dried with some sugar. Here goes that lovely and delicious looking star fruit. Look at that beauty. Look at that beauty. That little twig of coriander on the top. And we have some nice lemon pearls or caviar which will go right here. Look at that. They look so beautiful. ये गए हमारे लेमन पर्ल्स एंड इसके साथ हम डालेंगे थोड़े से माइक्रो ग्रीन्स. Here we have a little bit of carrot gel. Here goes the carrot gel, and we have some beetroot gel. Here goes the beetroot gel, the carrot gel and beetroot gel, and this dish is absolutely plated and ready to eat.
Looks so nice, nicely presented, chef.
Thank you so much. Random presentation. इसको थोड़ा सा बिल्कुल फैला दे. That looks very nice. And this, look at this. Just put a little bit on top, and these lovely looking lemon caviar. Oh my God, this looks like a dish. So this dish is absolutely ready, plated, good to eat, and इसको खाने के लिए आपको आना पड़ेगा कहाँ पे? I've told you the place name. It's Mercure Goa Devaaya Resort, and the signature dish is the Crab Xec Xec, plated in our way, made in our way, and delicious to the core. All right, so wine is the best. The white wine with this is the best. Always pour wine little, not too much. Never fill it up to the brim. Hold your glass like this, and this glass is for him.
Oh yeah, thank you, chef.
That's your glass. My glass is already ready. And cheers to a wonderful dish, your signature dish, the resort's signature dish. Cheers.